I truly feel that when we get to reverse time, we actually give people the mobility back. Hi, I'm Zayde Radwan, and I'm one of the orthopedic surgeons here at UT Physicians. So I grew up here in the Houston area, specifically from Deer Park. And growing up, I played multiple sports and had multiple injuries. It was my interactions with orthopedic surgeons growing up and treating my own injuries that got me interested in orthopedic surgery. In my practice, I focus mostly on hip and knee replacements. Once we figured out the problem, we then can talk to you about treatment options, and it doesn't always have to be surgery. There are non-operative treatments that are very successful in treating arthritis. However, when those do fail, we do have a very good option and more of a permanent fix to talk about joint replacements. The most important thing to me involving patient care is good outcomes. I do want to get patients there with the least amount of pain and the fastest outcome possible. One of the real special things about joint replacement is a lot of times people have given up on activities because they thought that they weren't tangible anymore. And so I hope that people regain what they want and more. For me, UT Physicians is special because it's been with me every step of the way. It has started here in medical school. They trained me in my residency, and then they hired me back. And so UT Physicians is not only a job, it's a family. And I feel that people here have the same sense when they're at work that we are a family. But most of all, I enjoy watching the patient interactions with the staff and the other doctors here at UT Physicians, because you can see the true passion they have, and that's what drives us to be successful.